I did a simple cooler repair to this one. Ultimately, this unit was leaking from the halves here all the way around, and it was actually leaking from this unit here back in here, and it just made a mess in the engine bay. So what we did is we replaced the unit. Previously, before when she came to us a couple of times, I had replaced all the hoses because they were dry rotted and they were cracking. They just weren't any good anymore. The clamps were just really bad. They weren't holding the pressure anymore. But ultimately, it was just the valve for like the secondary heater to help with the AC and so on and so forth. But it was just a simple cooling repair. I'm just performing the vacuum, and then now I'm just going to fill it up and pressurize it to make sure that it doesn't leak anymore, because nobody likes leaking coolant. It's not good for the car, not good for just everything in general. A little older than what we usually look into, but still nothing that we can't take care of. She drives it a lot, 245,000 miles. This era of car, of these Mercedes, they're almost bulletproof. The only bad thing about these is a lot of the parts there are starting to be discontinued. So it's going to be a little tricky for us to find certain parts that we need. For example, like her power steering pump is not available through Mercedes anymore. But we have to find a different source to get the power steering pump for this car. Parts are just a little bit of an issue with these older cars. Sometimes you just can't find them, completely discontinued. Third-party aftermarket parts, some of them work, some of them don't work. Before, with the experiences that we've had to kind of experiment on some of the brands that we've tried, but we're always able to figure it out and get the customer right. But she's always on the highway, she's always driving it, she's all over the place with this car. That's why it's got Michelin's on it, actually. It's an everyday kind of car. She absolutely loves this thing, and she'll do anything to keep it on the road, and of course that's what we're here for, is to help her keep it on the road. But again, nothing that we can't handle. I also did a couple other repairs to this one, which is actually a little weird. The coolant hoses were leaking through the actual hose, through the nylon. Never seen that before. But we had to replace it because, of course, that's not supposed to happen. That would be the one back here, from the thermostat housing to the intake manifold. She just recently came to us, and since she's been here with us, she's been very happy, of course. She continues to come back for all the other small repairs. She likes to do things little by little as needed. Seems to be okay.